Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Prevention is Better Than Cure. So today our topic is cough treatment at home. So let us start our video. To calm an inflamed throat and loosen mucus, drink plenty of water or use a cool mist humidifier or vaporizer. Eat some honey before going to bed. But don't give honey to infants younger than a year. According to studies, sugar, mishri might reduce cough symptoms. You might wish to try over-the-counter treatments that also includes sedatives like methanol or balm. You might want to try organic under medicines with very low aspirin dosages. It aids in easing the symptoms of a sore throat when administered to a tissue that have been irritated as a result of an upper respiratory infection.